video. We're doing another mail. We're doing another mail, surprise mail thing. Aren't you excited? This one did not show up unexpected. This one, somebody asked me. They said, can I send you something? And I said, yes. And I gave them, well, not my address. This is my name, obviously. But I gave them my neighbor's address because I'm never, ever home to collect my mail. So I checked with my neighbor, and he said, yes, you can send something here. And I was like, great, because I work way too much, whatever. So this lovely lady, Nancy Toms Brown, sent me something. I don't know what it is. It feels kind of puffy, but you hear that? It makes weird shaky noises, and I don't know what it could be. I'm very excited about whatever this is, because I love surprises. I love getting mail, so this is really exciting. And I'm smart. I brought scissors, so we can open this up and see what it is. Hopefully I don't cut into the thing. I've done that before. There's absolutely nothing worse than accidentally cutting into your mail. Okay, it's in bubble wrap. Okay. Yeah, nothing else in there. All right. Is it an envelope inside an envelope? Why, yes, it is. Okay, this is just bubble wrap. I don't need that. All right, let's cut open the second envelope carefully. Carefully. There's more bubble wrap. Okay, set aside over there. What is it? What is it? Ah, it's killing me. Bubble wrap, okay. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look, oh my goodness, it's jewelry. It's a rosary. I love rosaries. Oh my God. I love this. I have a red one, but not this color of red. And this has a red, you probably can't see it. I'll show you close up in a sec. This one also has a red cross on it, which I don't have. The one that I have is way darker red than this. That is beautiful. That's going to go so well with my awesome red vampire stuff. Oh, and there's earring. Oh my God, there's matching earrings. That's awesome. So I obviously can't wear them the way they are because, yeah. Actually, oh my God, wait a minute. I'm dumb. Okay, these go like this. These are actually double cross earrings. So you have a cross hanging on each side of your ear. That's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to have to put these on lobster clasps, obviously, because I can't wear regular earrings. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to put those on lobster clasps, but I'm going to wear the ever-living shit out of those because, as you can tell, I love to wear crosses on my ears in lots of different capacities. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you close up in a sec. She also wrote me a note, which she asked me not to read on camera. So I'm just going to read this silently and then give you the highlights. Hang on. I'm going to speed read. Watch how fast I do it. Ready? And I'm back. Aren't you amazed at how fast I can read? You should be. It is definitely not Jessica editing. It is me actually reading that fast. I guarantee it. Anyway, what this note has informed me of is that she actually made this, which explains why it is so beautiful. And so actually it's quite weighty for its size. Like normally when you find rosaries, they're not this heavy unless they're made of really good quality stuff, which obviously this is. And like I could tell the minute that I opened it that it wasn't a cheap rosary. And don't get me wrong, like I love cheap rosaries. I will take rosaries where I can get them. But this is gorgeous. I think it's glass. And yeah, the fact that someone took the time like to make this for me is amazing. And also knows that I really love the color red and that I love crosses. And this is beautiful. I'm obviously not wearing the correct thing to show this to you right now, but I can show it to you on the table. And I hope that I can get like the glitter, like show you how much this sparkles, because the sparkle of this is really amazing. I don't know if it's picking up very well on camera. And she made me the little earrings too, which is awesome. It explains why I've never seen earrings like this before. The two-sidedness, like that is so awesome. Whoop. Oh my God, I'm dropping them. It's fine. They're fine. That's awesome. Aren't those beautiful? I can't wear regular earrings, obviously, but I'm going to put those on jump rings and I'm going to put them both together so that I can wear two crosses with them as they were intended. Ah, it's so beautiful. And it makes me so happy when people take the time out of their day to like not only make me something, but send it to me as well. Like this is gorgeous. And I wasn't expecting this. It's really pretty. So let me show you close up. Hang on. All right, we're coming in for the close up here. Look at this beautiful red cross. Can you see? I'm trying to put the flash on here so you can see how gorgeous how gorgeous this thing is and how much the glass sparkles. Isn't it beautiful? It's actually looking more orange on camera than it is. It's more of like a dark, like blood red, which is amazing. And here's the little earrings. See how they're two-sided? Isn't that great? Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm gonna put these on a jump ring and wear them as soon as I am humanly able. Surprise! You didn't think you were getting out of this without a fashion montage, did you? I hope not. Well, here we go! Have it, me receiving a beautiful handmade gift in the mail and then styling it. So this is obviously how I chose to style the beautiful rosary that Nancy made me, and I love it. It makes me feel like a vampire countess, like roaming around my castle very dramatically, which you know I'm wearing this home and gonna like prowl around my house wearing this, listening to like type O negative videos and drinking red wine. That is literally my plan for tonight. And this rosary is going to help me do it. I appreciate it very much, Nancy. Thank you for taking the time to make me something so beautiful. I really love it. And I hope you like what I did here. I put your earrings that you made me on a lobster clasp so that I could attach them to my insane amount of earrings I have going on under this wig. So I hope all of you out there love this video, and if you did, if you could please give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing if you haven't already. If you want to follow me on any of the things, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, Depop, whatever, we're going to list them all below so that you can do that. If you want to buy me a Ko-fi, you can. It's ko-fi.com/MadamAbsinthe. I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on all the things. Thank you so much again for this beautiful rosary, Nancy, and I will see all of you around for my next YouTube video.